Welcome back everybody to Heather's East Kitchen. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious lemon garlic butter salmon. Okay, so the fish that we're going to be using today in this video is wild Atlantic cod salmon. So I'm going to get these started by getting them cut up into slices. You can cut them as big or small as you would like. I'm just going to give mine just a few cuts and make it to about 5 or 6 pieces. Alright guys, so for seasoning the salmon, I'm just going to be using sea salt and black pepper. That's it. And as you can see, I am flipping them over because you are to season both sides of your salmon. Alright guys, now that we got the fish all seasoned up, we're going to get our pan ready for searing the fish. We're going to coat the pan with some olive oil, and I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Once your grease is all heated up, you're just going to start laying your salmon in the pan. You're going to let each side cook for about 3 to 4 minutes before you take them out, and they're going to be done. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm pressing down on the salmon at first when I drop it down in the pan. We're doing skin side down, and this helps that the skin doesn't roll once you first place it into the pan and it starts to cook. Alright, now that the salmon's done, we're going to get this butter sauce started. I'm using a non-salted butter. You're going to let that melt in the pan. And the reason I'm using non-salted butter, guys, because I want to control my salt as I start to season this butter sauce. So that's why it's best to use a non-salted butter. Alright guys, now that the butter's all melted, we're going to use half of a fresh squeezed lemon, Stir it just a little bit more, guys, while this is all being done on medium heat, guys. Now I'm going to put in some Italian herb seasoning. This is a paste, guys, I got from the local market. I'm just putting about 3 little squeezes in there, equals up to about a teaspoon. Alright guys, so now I'm using some parsley paste. I'm also going to be using about a teaspoon of this as well. Alright guys, so I give that a good stir. Now add the other half of the lemon. So that equals up to 1 whole lemon in this recipe. Guys, so you might want to give it a little taste at this point right here, guys, and if you need to add any more seasonings, guys, this will be a good time. And now I'm going to add some garlic, guys. This is my favorite part. I love garlic. I'm just going to add 2 big teaspoons full of this garlic in here now, guys. Alright guys, so after giving that sauce a good stir, we're going to start adding that salmon back into the sauce, guys. Alright guys, so this part is very important. As the sauce is starting to simmer up on that salmon, you want to take your spoon and start drizzling some of this hot butter sauce over top of your salmon. This is going to help those juices to start laying inside of that salmon and making it taste oh so good, guys. Alright, so at this stage in the cooking, guys, as you're drizzling that butter sauce over top of your salmon, I did this for about another 2 to 3 minutes before I completed this meal, and then I was done. And you want to serve this with any favorite side that you might have, guys. I served this alongside some potatoes, and I also served it alongside some vegetables, guys. But you can serve it what you want. You do want to serve it hot, guys, because this is something that you want to eat right when it's hot and fresh out that pan.
Hi guys.
All right guys, so we are doing a taste test of the fish. It's my daughter's birthday today. She turned 25. Forgive my background, guys. It's my little workspace back here. Come back.
Oh my god, y'all, she did the thing with this. Like, I can't make this up.
There you have it, guys. The fish is going to be delicious. Thank you, honey. And share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video.